Kubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
Ki nong tray bat ki staff nurses ki bahab ha ka jingkmi ka National Health Mission henne ka singi ka santre unai tung 8,000 ar kilami pat ba Hamadan Malki hashwa bakin yat pat ba Shako Office ka Director of Health Services ka badan hala imkra. Kini ki nong tray wat la ki lasha berngem bat maham bakin nam yok tulom lada ki pep tray ni penlong jengki. Henry kini ki nong tray kilami Shakman ban dawa yakahok ban penkiu tulop yaki. Nagalyang ki nong tray kilapan pauru yaka jing ka baki yakandu haka kam jongki. Haka bayadai bat ka jing bom dan doktor haki PHC niki dispensary bat ki habru ban shim yaka jing kitkli. Kilapan pauru balada ka jia ka aka ni kanu ka jing bakla ka jing shakano kan let bet shaki. Kumta nakalyang ka jongki kilakarpa dio managing director ban shim kia bat ngablem yaka ni ka jing dawa jongki.
Working in the field, we have to collect from the ASHA. If some no ASHA, we have to go by themselves. It takes time to deal with the locality, with the community in the field. So we are not satisfied with this salary. So I request the MD to give what we are demand.
Kerteng zona di koridor lang indo mah. Yang ada di district di Moses, di sekarang district.
Bila benitu ke pelong itu beni hab
Ka baningkong kapan pau ko mangilayawan lang di district mo. Bajkun pau ningkong kani ka jing yaki kalong hati atenta kani kasi mo mata ka baningkong kalong ako. Ni hano ba salong agre po ra. Di ka jing yami pat ba ka jongi kalong hangni kadai na kani ka rationalization ka bangilong. Di kidon ki staff ki bahap ako jo kani ka kanhun ako jo pada kalama jo ka service delivery mo. Jo kani ka ya. Di kidan ki staff ki ba hadin balale ya kan rationalization di kajing siu ka jongki kalagarno di bat ba ngidon ru ka jinget ba kani ka rationalization ka balale kam don kata ka le harkom ka badai bat ka ba da bishar bania da kanu ka kenhon ti ni sukwa ban pan jing shai ke kumni ki ba yatrai lang hakani ka por ka menta ba haba lale ya kanu ka kam kumbalakular da mission director Ahmad Jongi akan dikapo akan por ke beladam ke bangilaya kendo yu ong ba ni unpet benia bat un bishar ling ba ka qualification ke bangidon kidon hang ni ki doctors kidon hang ni ki staff nurse akan ke kenhun kidon ki ANM bat kumta terter ti henry klem dapat bahai ka qualification ke bangi ngidon ti lasule le se hakan ka rukom ka ba labishar da kanu kanu kenhun kata ken ke mamla ban pau shai por mumta kata ketika pengilai mi sik mat ban por mumta ku mangilai I mo hakikat ku bor ka press release ke bawan ka office of mission director tikum ba pila yos ngau hi hangni menta da kawai ka sor ba lada UMD wong ba unshim gino ki action di menta ka sngi nginya sign hakmat DHS ki attendance ki jongi pat nginya ai ang tehi ke nang ba UMD unyo I ya ka attendance ka jongi lada ni pep tray na kanu kada te ya ka ba kawai ka lenti ka bagin shim ka ka sinjam ka syong ba kan sami na ka jingya lang na po turaru habang nilay kandu bat punya keren bat kiwi pat ki representative.
We are all in a healthy. So I on behalf of all the staff nurse of NHM, I just would like to say that we all the staff nurse, we are not satisfied with the salary that we have received by the third draft. Even the first draft, the second draft is the same, and we expect that the third draft it will increase, but still it is the same. So accordingly to the livings that we are living today, a standard living, and all the things have been increased, it is not satisfied. It is not according to the salary that we have received. So what we request to the MD, if he can increase a little bit, it should be according to our needs and according to our responsibilities and according to our workload which we work in the UPHCs, either the PHCs, either the CHCs, especially the staff nurse, all the nurses like A&M nurses, they have to conduct the delivery case. In case the doctors are not there, if anything happens, like any critical case or any situation happens, the nurses get the blame. So the doctors also have been increased. What about the nurses? So we request the MD, if he can increase the salary for the nurses also, it will be satisfied for us all. So with this, I request and I please the MD also kindly look into us.